Hello, boy. Hello. Are you hungry? Oh, wow. You are so hungry. So, you are so lovely. Wow. Very lovely boy. Okay. Please, please eat. Please enjoy your food. Wow. So nice. You look so beautiful. I have never seen like this. I have never do like this before. So it is the first time for me to feed the bird directly or closely. He didn't afraid of me. He is not afraid of me. So he just waiting for food. So now I give him just a little bit because I am afraid of police. Sometimes it is not good for me or for the people to feed the bird, to feed the animal in the public. Because in some country it's also forbidden. It means it's not allowed the people to feed any bird in the public, because sometimes they cannot find food for themselves. But today I just keep give him a little bit food.